Hello guys, welcome back to AS Learning. So guys, WhatsApp can also help us to identify the availability of oxygen cylinder and hospital beds in your nearby area or in your city. So all you have to do is just save this number displayed on your screen. So that is 1234517899, and also make sure you add the plus before 1 here, otherwise you will not able to see this number on your WhatsApp. So just add this plus and then this number 1234517899, and save it with any name. Here I have just mentioned, for example, COVID bed and oxygen sources. So once you save this number, open your WhatsApp and open this chat and just write COVID initially. Okay, so it will return some message, as this is intrabot. So yeah, as you can see, it has written some message and it is asking for us what you are looking for. So if you want to search about availability of hospital beds in, for example, suppose let's say in Pune or Mumbai, so just write the message in this format only, available in bold. And if you want to search for availability of oxygen cylinder, then write this message. So for example, we will search hospital oh, hospital beds in Pune. Let's assume, for example. Okay, so it may take yeah, actually it has written instantly. So as you can see, it has written one person contact whom we can contact and see the check the availability of hospital beds. So like this, if you want to search about for let's say oxygen cylinder, now we will give any we will give any different city name, oxygen cylinders in. So make sure you write the message in this format, same as it is. Okay, oxygen cylinders in for example Delhi. So it will instantly return you with the contact name and contact number. As you can see, that is yeah. So you can call them and also ask them whether the oxygen cylinders or hospital beds are available or not. So it can this in this way, this bot can help you to find the availability of both oxygen cylinder and hospital beds. And also if you want to see the leads, others contacts, so you just have to write this string leads, and it will provide you the name and contact number of verified sources. As you can see, the verified lead. Okay, so and they have also asked that if you have any verified sources list, so you can email them at this address, hi@introbot.co. So once you email this, they will provide this option to other users. So in this way, they are providing the contact number and contact details of everyone. So I hope this will help you, and please share this with your family, in your family and friends, so that everyone will be helpful with this feature. So that's it from this video, and till then subscribe to our channel AS Learning, maintain social distancing and wear mask. Thank you.